Cardano is testing a crucial level, and if that sounds interesting, you make sure to continue watching this video. Hey guys, Pingu Charts here. Welcome back to another Cardano analysis video. As always, if you do enjoy my content, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button. If you guys are interested in free $600 Bitcoin, make sure to check out the link in the bio. As you guys can see, yesterday on Cardano, we had a beautiful bullish momentum candle breaking above that resistance at 41 cents. I mentioned it's going to be very important for the bulls to actually try to take control of this level. And as of right now, you can see that we are forming a somewhat double top position. You can see that we tried to break that level here at 44 cents once, and now we are seeing the same sort of rejection candlesticks form again. This is going to be very important though, as we have to see a test of that level. We haven't quite hit that level yet, and I mentioned this to you guys many times before, is you want to be waiting for the actual test, because this gives you that confirmation that once you see that test level, then you can enter that shorting position below. Entering a little bit too early is extremely dangerous because of the fact that there's many retests that can happen, and you want to be entering exactly on that resistance level. As of right now, you can see we are still above the exponential moving averages. We are using them as support, which is a continuation pattern, but we just want to be a little bit more careful about entering a long position here because of the fact that we are entering overbought territories. Ideally, we want to see a pullback to the possible 41 cents. You can see that's pretty much, we saw that pullback here at 39, continue to pull back to that 40, continuation forward, but we haven't seen that continuation on that 41 cent level overall. Once we see that pullback opportunity and we actually hold that level and we see that retest confirmation, we can start looking for those long positions possibly playing out to the overall level of mine at 46 cents, which is the blue line over here, because of the fact that's the level that we can see that this waterfall effect started. If this is a completion of this move, that should be the next take profit level, and that's basically where most of these traders will be looking to exit. That's an entry for a shorting position if you'd like, but of course we'd have to wait until we see that confirmation on the higher time frames. Now, if we go over here on the hourly time frames, we can see that Cardano is pretty much in between these exponential moving averages. It is starting to look a little bit more bearish because of the fact that we are seeing more and more bearish engulfing candlesticks form, but I would like to see a break of this formation, use it as rejection, and then that continuation to the downside. And worst extreme spot we can possibly go is 40 cents. The reason why the 40 cent level, of course, is because that's pretty much where the pullback started, and then the opportunities to the upside. So that's where the level of for the short-term bears is possibly looking at. Now, overall on Cardano, on the 4-hour time frames, again, we are somewhat in a bullish standpoint, but we have to be very careful. I mentioned in my previous video the fact that there was a head and shoulder pattern. You can see that that was invalidated because we actually broke above the right shoulder, which was definitely a situation that we did prepare for. But as of right now, if we do see a bearish engulfing candle break below, then that technically could still play out, right? This is why it's very dangerous to be trading on weekend volume. You want, with the lack of liquidity, you want to be sure that you can actually get that entry overall. But right now, if we do see that bearish engulfing candle, that would invalidate this whole move up, and we have to be careful on that looking on Monday morning. But that's pretty much all I have for you guys today. As always, if you do enjoy my content, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button. If you guys are interested in free $600 Bitcoin, make sure to check out the link in the bio, and hope you guys have it.